Are you trying to decide if Kajabi is the right investment for your coaching business? This video is a must watch before you click buy because I'm gonna share the 10 things I wish I knew about Kajabi before I bought it. Be sure to stay to the end because I'm talking about a feature that's gonna allow me to have the biggest launch I've ever had. I'm so excited. All right, let's dive right in. What's up, it's Danie, your guide to authentic video that pulls in your dream clients. If you haven't yet, be sure to grab my Go Viral Video Guidebook that shares the 4-part strategy in creating video that's gonna pull in those dream clients of yours. The first thing that I wish I knew about Kajabi before I bought it is that you only get 15 products on their growth plan, which their growth plan is like $200 a month if you don't pay for it annually. I paid for it annually, so it was $160 a month, and then it was just like a lump sum, so honestly it didn't feel like it hurt that bad because you just pay it once and then you forget about it, right? But I thought that that was a little strange. I felt like for $160 a month I should have more than 15 products, but running a coaching business, I think if I had more than 15 products, that would be really crazy. I don't know if I could handle that. And if I had more, then I could jump up to the next plan. It's just a lot more expensive. So obviously then I would be just on that next level. So for me, it would probably be a no-brainer, but just something to note if you've got like loads and loads of products, something to consider. Okay, it's really hot. I'm gonna move inside. The second thing that I wish I knew about Kajabi before I purchased it is Kajabi University. Oh my gosh. Kajabi University literally teaches you everything you need to know to be successful running a course or whatever it may be on Kajabi. It's so worth it. Let's take a look inside.
When you log into Kajabi, you're able to see in your dashboard Kajabi University. Now, when you click on Kajabi University, there are loads of different courses that you can take to learn more about how to have a successful course. So you can go into website building, courses, memberships, marketing, and list building. So we can click view all courses just so you can get an idea. So if I want to learn more about building a course, I could click here and learn about it if I am a beginner and go through the different modules. But if I'm more advanced, then I can go and find an advanced course, and I can click up here and do advanced and see what are all the things that I want to know about in blogging or Facebook ads by some of the top creators. So really cool. You may recognize some of these faces and names. Awesome resource, and it comes for free with any Kajabi membership.
Did that convince you? Kajabi University is thebomb.com. Like, you don't need anything else to learn Kajabi other than Kajabi University. The third thing that I wish I knew about Kajabi before I bought it is their email software is pretty robust. You can build out these massive funnels and email sequences and tags and all the things. It's wonderful. So I had Kajabi's email software replace ConvertKit. So it's just a part of Kajabi. It's nothing extra that you add on. And ConvertKit was costing me like over $50 a month. So I ended up saving money switching from Teachable and ConvertKit to Kajabi. And if you want to see my comparison of Teachable and Kajabi, if you're trying to decide between the two, I used Teachable for like over a year and then made the switch over. So check that out. But anyway, actually, Kajabi ended up being a better bang for my buck because it combined my email software, and it's been great so far. I really like it. The one thing I do hate about it though is that you can only type on like the left side of their emails. It's super weird. I can't actually like edit the big part of the email. I could only type on the left side. So if you work for Kajabi or you're listening to this right now, can you please change that? The fourth thing that I wish I knew about Kajabi before I bought it is they have these amazing like pipelines and funnels that you can build in your business. They've got so many things set up to make it easy for you to be successful in selling your course or coaching. Even just now, my VA and I are looking into how to implement more of what they offer. We have our own kind of funnel set up, but I want to be able to utilize everything they have and start using their program and pipeline. But anyway, really, really awesome. The fifth thing I wish I knew about Kajabi before purchasing it is their upsell feature is amazing. So this is something that I really wanted to do in Teachable, but I couldn't. I couldn't figure out how to do it. And it's something you can do in Kajabi. I'll show you right here. So when somebody purchases my program, they can click this box that upsells them, and that actually doesn't count as one of those 15 products in my plan. So Alora and I, my VA, are always thinking about how can we add an upsell to different offers to be able to make more revenue in our business and provide more helpful material for our clients. The sixth thing I wish I knew about Kajabi before I bought it is, their web pages are are really, really good. So I think I realized how much time I wasted in WordPress and in Wix. I used to use Wix and then I got into WordPress for my blog. And Kajabi saves you so much time that you would have wasted doing the frivolous thing and moving things around that just actually you don't really need. Their sales pages and templates obviously aren't going to be as customizable as something like WordPress and Elementor or Wix or Squarespace, but it's everything again that you need to build revenue, to get more clients. They even have really wonderful copy on their sales templates and different pages that you can look to as a reference. The seventh thing I wish I knew about Kajabi before I bought it is actually something that I almost maybe not want to move over, but now I feel totally fine about it, and that is sales tax. So with Teachable actually takes out sales tax for you with anything that's bought or sold. Kajabi doesn't do that, but what I did is I met a tax accountant and I talked with him, and I have another accountant and I talked with her a bit about it. So now after getting their guidance, I feel really comfortable with the fact that the sales tax isn't taken out like it is with Teachable. And so if that's something that concerns you, I am not a financial advisor in any way. Don't listen to me about what I'm doing, right? I'm just taking the guidance of people that I've hired on. So I would recommend to do that as well. You always want to make sure all of that stuff is good for your business or whatever country or whatever you're coming from. Did I just ramble? When I start talking about like taxes and finances, it's like, woo, okay, not my forte, okay. The eighth thing I wish I knew about Kajabi before I bought it is just how amazing setting up a course within Kajabi is. Course creation in Kajabi is top tier. You are able to do so many things for your clients, for your customers that just make the experience absolutely incredible. One of the things that I really love that Kajabi has is in my program, I always have assessments for my clients halfway through and at the end. And if you don't do that, make sure you get that halfway kind of assessment reflection. It's super helpful in understanding how you can better the program for that last half. But anyway, I was doing that in Google Forms, and there's actually a section in Kajabi where you can just add the assessment as a part of the course. That way it allows people to just do it right then and there. They don't have to go anywhere else. I do have to find a better incentive though, because I feel like a lot of people have just like skipped past it. So make sure you make it required for people or they may not do it. The ninth thing I wish I knew about Kajabi before I purchased it is that there is a Kajabi community that can replace your Facebook page. I have so many clients that hate Facebook. I feel like I just heard a video where someone's like, Facebook is for Karens. Yeah, I guess people don't really use Facebook that much. You will get people in your community that won't join your Facebook group, so if you're doing updates and things, is no good, right? No bueno. So I recommend just creating a Kajabi community. That way everybody in a program can be added to that community and you can do updates there. People can post questions, people can go back and forth in forums. It's wonderful. I wish I knew more about it. I'm just utilizing it right now. Kajabi actually has an app that people can download on their phone, so it makes it really easy for people to pull up and ask questions when they're on the go and that sort of a thing. The 10th thing I wish I knew about Kajabi, I didn't know because it didn't exist, I think, when I bought it, is that you can now integrate Calendly within Kajabi. So let's say you are offering coaching for clients as well as a course or whatever it may be, you can have your Calendly set up within it so people can book you directly within Kajabi. So that's really awesome. And that's something that I am going to also start utilizing this next time I'm running my YouTube program again, which will allow my clients, if they want to book that one-on-one throughout the course, they can. I do offer discounted hourly coaching for those who are in my YouTube course, Magnetic Creator Academy. And now it's time for my bonus tip, the feature in Kajabi that's gonna allow me to have my biggest launch that I've ever had, and that is their affiliate program. So with their affiliate program, you are able to set up who you want to be able to be an affiliate for your program, where they can share about your offers, and then they make a percentage. So you decide how much of a percentage do they make for being able to share about your offer to their followers. So they can even have custom discounts. So maybe if people use their link, they get a 10% off discount, and you don't even have to have them give a discount. You can even just have it so they make a percentage every time somebody uses their link when they recommend your product. This is the first time I've ever had affiliates for my YouTube course, so I'm really excited to see how it's going. I have a lot of past clients who recommend the program to others and who've had such good experiences, so I thought, well, if they're already promoting it, I want to be able to reward them for it and then even create resources so they can push it out even further so I can reach a broader audience and have the best launch yet. Woo! I'm so excited. By the way, if you're not on the wait list yet for Magnetic Creator Academy, make sure you get on it. If this video was helpful for you, you can help a girl out and use my Kajabi link. Give the video a thumbs up. Be sure to subscribe, and while you wait for next week's video, be sure to check out these other helpful videos. And I will see you next time. Peace and blessings. Getting